We got parts in for the propane forge. One of the most important things, burners. I am a god. Hey, YouTube. Oh, it's been a long day. Probably not going to work on anything tonight. It's going to be kind of a slow night, but I've been getting materials. So, you know, as you know, I've ordered for stuff for the forge, stuff for ranchero, stuff for the hammer, all that kind of stuff. Well, I'm starting to get things that are showing up, and I haven't looked at the stuff. I opened the box to see that that's what it is, but I wanted to just open it and see what it is, and you guys take a look at it with me, and we can we can ruminate about whether or not I got taken advantage of. So let's get started. So this big box is my refractory materials. There should be some refractory brick and some Kaowool in here. I just ordered this stuff from eBay. Ian Knows Best eBay store. One. Yeah, I gotta show you this. This is great. All right. See if you can see this. This is the, that's his address. I love the 13312 Ranchero Road. That's serendipity. Anyway, like I said, I haven't actually, we just popped this thing open, see what we got. What we have ordered is, okay, what is going on here? This is cute. That must be my bricks, all bundled neatly in there. Let's take a look. It's one of those kind of guys. Wow. These bricks are supposed to be good for 20. I don't remember if I got 23 or 2600. I think these were 2300 degrees. How well they hold up remains to be seen, but yeah, there they are. Yeah, 23. But that's what that means. Yep. That's those guys. Set those aside. And then, of course, everybody's favorite, Kaowool. This is supposed to be 2-inch thick. Imagine it. Yeah, there's the other one. I got 2 of these. These are, what was neat about this guy, he had a lot of different sizes. So this stuff was, he had these that were like whatever that is by whatever that is. It's 24 inches, I think, by, I don't know. I got a tape. I could measure it, I guess. 16. So I bought 2. I figured that ought to be enough to do the sides and the wall and the doors. So yeah, that's that. So now these little buggers, I was going to build the burners, and somebody on the on the YouTube, thank you much. I don't remember who you were, but said, "Oh, they sell T-burners on eBay for cheap." That man was not lying. I went on eBay and I found this whole set, this whole kit. I don't remember what it cost. It was like 80 bucks or something. I don't know exactly, but it was made out of stainless steel. It had the burners, the regulator, everything. So I was like, you know, I can't beat that. So this must be the kind of an odd. It's kind of weird. What did they do? So this is our burner. It's like they took regular stainless steel fittings and then they machined out the threads. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's just a regular bell reducer. And then I'm looking at, they kind of did the same thing with the T. They've got, it's a 3/4 inch here by 1 1/4 inch, and it's like they've machined out the threads on the 1 1/4 inch. I don't know, I guess that makes it more special. I don't know. This is an interesting touch too. I don't know. This looks like brass to me. I don't even know how you do that. Does brass and stainless, can you TIG that together, or is that a braze, or? That's interesting. I don't even know how that's done. Anybody out there know? I'm not familiar with a process that does that. But yeah, it's got a little ball valve. Yeah, no, that's cute. It's not a very good ball valve, but it's probably better than anything I would have bought at Home Depot. This is the little tip, the little nozzle. Little nozzle tip. I don't know if you can see that real well. I don't know what the stupid camera's focusing on right now. But I hope that's the right size. That's downright precious if it works. You know, I have a little propane. Maybe we'll hook this up and see if it throws a fire. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am sorry, but that is really cool. I mean, I thought the star of the show would be me building my own, but no, screw that. These things were dirt cheap. I think you can get just the burner. I think you can get just the burner like 30 bucks, 20, 30 bucks or something for a burner. And that's with the valve and the whole thing. And then I got dual, you know, I got two of them. And I got two of the burners, and then the hose and the regulator and stuff for the tank. I still got to get a bigger tank. I mean, this is just one I had laying around over here, and my intent is to maybe pick up a 100-pound tank. I checked with my local welding supply who deals with propane, and I asked them about it, and they do they have a tank exchange program, and they do stock 100-pound tanks. And I asked him how much, and it was about $50 more for the tank, and it was, I think it was another $50 more to fill it than what I could get at somewhere else. So that may not be happening. I like having a relationship with the welding supply, but I mean, we're not dating. He doesn't take me to dinner or anything, so you know. Anyway, that's it. I mean, it's a little thing, but why not? I've got other things to do. I'll be here supposedly tomorrow, and I want to work on getting the motor mount, I keep saying motor mounts, the body mounts for Rusty on the front built and straightened around and sorted out, and get the alignment issue on the ones in the back so we can actually get it to where that we can start setting it proper on real body mounts instead of just kind of whatever happens to collide. So anyway, as always, if you like the video, the like, the subscribe, the comments, all that kind of stuff, and I appreciate it. Until tomorrow, bye. Look at me! I'm Johnny Storm! Flame on!